a major concern about excavation of sites throughout Eastern Europe. Remember that 2 out of every 3 Jews of Eastern Europe was murdered by the Nazis. And so many of them were murdered and cremated as in the camps, but many were buried. And there were piles of bodies, and they were buried. And the Einsatzgruppen in Russia, they lined up Jews along a pit, shot them, and they fell in the pit, and then they lined up another set and shot them. So they're essentially cemeteries, not designated as cemeteries, but all throughout Europe. And so it shouldn't surprise people that when there have been excavations, that they've come across remains. And this is a very serious matter, not only for recognition of what happened and documentation of what happened, and for forensic reasons to know what happened, but also this is a very serious matter in Jewish law. Obviously, many of the bodies are Jews. How many are and how many aren't is a question, and that's an interesting issue. But we have to assume that many of the bodies were Jews. So one of the big problems, of course, in the Holocaust is that there's no burial sites. There's no knowledge about who lived and who died, because they were all either buried or cremated.